Hello, what's up guys, I'm Harry and you're looking Learn It with Harryville. Today I'm gonna show you how we can change our video background. So first of all, we have to download one software. So let's start our topic. First of all, you open a browser and search Filmora. Everybody know about this software. This is the most popular editing software. So we have to download Wondersharenet.tk. I will give the link in description this software so you can download there. Simply you have to click here and downloading button. After downloading, you have to install on your system PC, and then you have to open this software. It's very easy and very quick software. It's very simple. So this software gave us a lot of facilities so we can do. So let's start our topic. Our topic is how we can change our video background. So first of all, we have to import. You can see here the software option, import media file. So we have to import media file. I gonna import this video. I'll show you how we can remove background of the video. You can see also background is green, so just simply drag this video on this second layer, and after that you have to click here green screen and mark this part and select this color. So now you have to intensity level increase. You can see it's look almost 50% is almost better. If you will be doing the 100%, you can see it's looking not good. And the big mistake is that my t-shirt color is same as it is a green, so that's why it's not much clear. But during the video you must have to choose another color of your t-shirt for good background change. So I'm just gonna choose 49. So click on the OK button. OK, and you can see it's become a change green to black. And now we have to import our own background. For suppose I import this. You can see this is not good. Oh sorry, it's okay, I do it again very fast. Green screen, click here this and 49. 49, okay, 50 is okay. So now I have to import media file. Click on the desktop. For suppose I choose this. For suppose you can choose anyone. You can also choose a video behind your scene. So you can. I gonna choose this. You can see guys, it's looking now changed completely. I play this video. You can see this, it's almost changed. You can also add a lot of pictures. Same, I gonna add this one. You can see now which, yes, now you can see behind the scene, behind my background is looking change. So you can also add a video, pictures, anything you want you can add. So it's depend on your camera quality, how much is good. I record this video with my phone Samsung Galaxy Note 5, so it's not much good better. If you have a DSLR and any Handycam, so you can record it very well. And during the video you must be remember one thing, your light qualities must be better, then you can record good. So this was our topic. After that we have to export this video. Once you become ready, just click here, select the name and select where you want the save this video, select the location and just export. It's a very easy, very quick method how you can change your video background. Mostly YouTubers use this software already, but they don't know how to change the background video. So it's a very easy, very simple method. I hope you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for getting a new updated videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.